Any message to the viewers and the whole world?
Just stay safe, follow the precautions, stay at home, do not take unnecessary risks.
Ginagawa mo.
Make sure you are putting a date on it so that we know that only after 72 hours it has been picked up. Because without the date, you are not sure when it has arrived or when somebody should take it from there. After handling also, even though you are wearing the gloves and everything, please sanitize your hand. If you are in doubt when you are joining the ship, the company procedure now states that each joiner has to be checked 3 times when he is boarding the ship. Before boarding the ship, he is already being tested. But as you know, you come over here and the test is being carried out on the first day or the second day when you are in the hotel. This takes around 7 days for the symptoms to develop if you have got the COVID virus. That's the reason we are also doing the test on board the ship. But this test is also not 100%. It's only about 70-75% accurate. So we are doing it short. When you come here, you're doing on the first day, the third day and the 7th day. But that does not mean that after the 7th day also that you are clear. If you are developing any symptoms for the COVID, sore throat, cold, feverish, not feeling well, please come and tell the medical officer about your symptoms, and then he can further test you again, or he can give you some medication and see if it's going away, not test you again and see if you are positive or not. The new joiners who are coming over here to be wearing their masks. But I have observed a lot of people not doing that. Even when they are working with others, they are not wearing the masks or their mask is down. There is a reason that you have been told to wear the mask, so please do it. Okay? And it's not only the new joiners' duty, it's even our duty. If we see them, they are not wearing the mask, make sure you tell them, please wear your mask when you are working with us. After the 7th day, they are allowed to remove the mask and all that. Till then, even they are eating their lunches and everything separately. Anybody from ashore coming to work on the ship, like what we saw when the contractors were working on the A-frame or when they were working on the crane, they were separate from us. Nobody was allowed to go on the aft deck. Those are the precautions that we will be following till further notice. Now everybody has already received their first shot. Hopefully the second shot they will come and do it for us on the 24th of May. But that second shot also does not guarantee you that you will not get COVID. They say 95% you are safe, but you can still get it. So you have to keep following the precautions. Second shot does not guarantee that you will not get COVID from outside. So whatever precautions we are following now, when we are going on the deck, going on the quayside, or when we are handling the provision and everything, we still have to keep on following the precautions, wearing your mask, cleaning your hands, wearing gloves. And especially when you are handling the stuff down there, you see your boiler suit also comes in contact. Make sure that you change your boiler suit after handling the stuff and clean it, wash it. Don't keep on wearing that boiler suit. As per what they say, 72 hours it takes for the virus to die in open air. So please take care of that. As of COVID medicines, we don't have any COVID medicines on board. So if somebody will develop a symptom, we'll have to isolate that person, and then each and everybody will have to be checked. And the people who will have COVID, depending on the situation, they will be put ashore in the hospital and given all the treatment over there. Okay? And other thing was that 14 days the people who come join the ship have to check the temperatures themselves with the temperature machine which is kept on the bridge. But quite a few of the people are not following that. Like sometimes they miss out 2 days, 3 days, then come the 1 day and then just keep writing the temperatures and walk away. You don't have to be reminded that you have to do it for 14 days. Once you have been told, then you have been told. Even the instruction sheet has been given to you. So please follow that. Because if you are unsafe, you are creating an unsafe atmosphere on the ship for other people also. So you are not risking your lives, you are risking the lives of the people who have already been on board for a long time. And even when you are signing off and going home, make sure that you take the mask, gloves and hand sanitizer from the CSK. The CSK has got enough of this stuff. So before you go home, go and see him, take some mask, gloves and the sanitizer. Till you reach home safely, take all the precautions. And even when you are home, take all the precautions. I went home safely, but I got COVID when I was home. So nobody is safe anywhere now. Till the whole world is vaccinated or they find a better solution for it. Even if you are seeing somebody working, the outside contractors working, if they are trying to come inside the accommodation, do not allow them. Even the pilots and all that, when you bring them, anybody on the bridge, they should be coming from outside the accommodation and not from inside the accommodation. So the quartermasters and everybody has to keep that in mind, that if you are bringing anybody on the bridge who is required to work there from outside, who doesn't belong to the ship staff, it has to be through the outside of the accommodation and not from the inside. Because that day one pilot was got on board the ship from the inside the accommodation. Both the pilots came from inside the accommodation. They are going to touch all the surfaces, and if somebody has got the virus, then he's going to spread it to all the ship staff. Okay, anybody wants to add anything else? So it's safety first. You have to think about yourself and you have to think about the others on the ship. And when you are home, you have to think of your family also. And make sure that they also follow the safety protocols. Nobody is safe till I say so. Okay?
Sanitizer. It's possible that we have a sanitizer outside our window.
Which toilet?
Big 3?
Yeah.
We don't have sanitizer outside the toilet?
Yeah, why not? Just tell the CSK. And if you see that, you see the sanitizers are kept all over the place. If you see it is empty, please inform. Please inform, and you can take the sanitizer from him and keep it in that place. Don't wait for somebody else to do it. If you see it is empty, you can always take it from Roger and keep it in place. Don't wait for somebody else to do the job. Because this job is for everybody. Safety, COVID is for everybody. It's not one person or two person's job.
Hospital
Possibly we can order again another drums of sanitizer.
Yes, we can order.
The inviting is the one who supplies.
We can order locally if we have.
It's expensive. Not like when you buy
Maybe you can just send him an email asking him can he supply the sanitizer in yeah. But the issue is when you are having it in drums, can you need the dispensers? Yes, but then people should not go with empty dispensers. They can bring